बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि जिस तरीके से अलीगढ़ को रिसीव किया गया है वर्ल्ड वाइड और जिस तरीके से हिंदुस्तान के लोग और मुंबई शहर के लोग आतुर हैं इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए, इससे यही लगता है कि अगर हम मतलब वाली फिल्में बनाएं और मतलब वाली फिल्मों पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दें तो दर्शक काफ़ी हैं, उत्साह काफ़ी है लोगों में, वो कभी भी आपको जो है निराश नहीं करेंगे। Right. Yes, I came to know through Twitter that an Indian film is opening my festival after 17 years, which is quite an honor for us, and that too when I'm part of Aligarh, and which is creating such a buzz around the world, and not only around the world, even in our country, which is about a professor who's gay, So it's an amazing honor. I just hope and pray that after this festival is over, after this screening is over, the word of mouth is strong for the release time. My career is changed. I mean, I'm old enough now. My career will not change any further, but definitely I really want Indian cinema to change after this. Indian cinema to change for better for all the actors who are coming after us. They will have ample chances. They will be fearless, in doing these kind of roles. This is what I want. Actors and filmmakers should be fearless in expressing their creativity, their opinion on the screen. And this is what Aligarh is going to do. And I'm very thankful to the entire team for accepting me in this role. Which is not only path breaking, but it's path breaking in many sense for this nation. नहीं, मेरे लिए क्या है कि मैं अब 22 years in this film industry. Nothing surprises me now after so many years. But yes, I'm always looking for great roles. With no fear, no insecurity, and there is no career plan as such. So Aligarh is one more film, one more great film that I have done in my career, and I'm very happy that these kind of subjects are being made in this country. I really thank Hansel for choosing this film.
This film is about raising your voice against intolerance in our society. Right now, a lot of intolerance is going on in India as well, be it writers, filmmakers returning their awards. Do you think this is a very good poignant subject in this day and age?
I would say that who's not returning award and who's returning award is a democratic country. Everybody has an opinion. Everybody has a right to do so. I don't have anything to say about it. I would just say that at this point of time, when all of you are here, all of you are gathering here for this moment, which is a path-breaking moment in Indian cinema, which this gives me ample reason to be very happy.
दर साल कितना बेहतर पा रहे हैं?
बहुत ही बेहतर पा रहे हैं। आई थिंक हर साल इम्प्रूव हो रहा है और मामी की ग्रोथ हमारी आंखों के सामने है। हर साल इसका जो औहदा है वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि हमारे शहर में, मुंबई में एक ऐसा फेस्टिवल है मामी, क्योंकि बहुत फिल्म लवर्स हैं यहाँ पर इस शहर में। और ये फिल्म, हिंदी फिल्म का गढ़ है ये शहर, तो यहाँ पर तो ऐसा फेस्टिवल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और इस मायने पर हो रहा है, तो बहुत सराहनीय बात है ये।
हंसल मेहता के साथ आपका एक रिश्ता है,
Yeah.
कोई बहुत ही विशेष फिल्म है।
I'm very happy. He's like family to me now, and this is our third film together. And inshallah और भी होंगे आगे अभी. And this is a very special and very important film of our times. So I'm just waiting for the feedback now. It's our first screening in our country.
राजकुमार, अगर बात करें फिल्म की, बहुत सेंसिटिव टॉपिक छेड़ा जा रहा है।
जी।
आप लगता है देश की गवर्नमेंट तैयार है इस फिल्म के लिए? और
गवर्नमेंट से इस फिल्म का क्या लेना देना है? देश के लोग तैयार हैं, लोगों के लिए फिल्म बनी है, ऑडियंस के लिए फिल्म बनी है। एंड आई थिंक बहुत हमारी ऑडियंस आजकल बहुत ओपन है एंड दे आर रेडी टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद फिल्म। एंड और ये फिल्म ऐसी कोई इसमें कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है। ये सब जो फिल्में हैं वो हो रहा है आज सोसाइटी में, और उसकी कोई वॉइस नहीं थी। सो थ्रू दिस फिल्म आई थिंक वी हैव अ वॉइस नाउ। और गवर्नमेंट और फिल्म का ऐसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। Yeah, yeah.
But of course, intolerance has become almost a kind of a buzzword right now. What do you feel about this? The tolerance for intolerance, so to speak, and not.
No, I feel very sad about when we divide people as per their sexual preferences. I think we all are human beings first, and then anything else. And I think each to his own. We have no right to interfere in anybody's personal life, and whatever they're doing in their bedrooms or with their love life. I think it's their own decision. We are mature enough to decide for ourselves.
And you know, the filmmakers just turned an national award. As part of what you're living in society, as a that kind of atmosphere.
I think being from FTI, I can absolutely understand what students are going through, and I'm with them on that. As far as returning the national award is concerned, I think it's the people who are returning it. It's their own decision, and it's very courageous of them. I would definitely say that. But I think it's their way of protesting about whatever is going on in the institute. I respect the decision. Thank you. Thank you.
This is my first time in India. I'm having an extraordinary time. Such a thrill, such beautiful people, beautiful films, an amazing country.
Like you are heading the international jury. What are you excited about and what are you looking forward to from an Indian film festival?
Yes, so I'm the head of the international jury and made up of a beautiful array of artists who are here to watch all of the films from around the world and name a winner for the Mumbai Film Festival. I think Indian cinema has inspired filmmakers from all over the world, and so we're just so pleased to be here to celebrate the magic of film.
Has anyone in particular inspired you? Any Indian filmmaker or actor?
Yeah. Well, I'm a woman filmmaker, so I love Indian women filmmakers. I'm a big fan of everyone from Meera Nair to Deepa Mehta to Gurinder Chadha. Shekhar Kapoor as well is a friend of mine. So I love Indian cinema and just really feel fortunate that I was invited to come here today. Not a lot of African American filmmakers are invited to travel the world. And Mumbai is the first film festival that's asked me to be the head of a jury, and I'll never forget India for that. I really appreciate it.
You know, obviously you've done a film which is about intolerance at a very large
Yes.
level. You know, unfortunately that's become a topic of
Yes.
discussion here
Yes.
as well.
Yeah.
What do you feel about that, the growing trend of artistic intolerance, not the world impact here as well, whatever you
Yes, it's a big question. The idea of artistic intolerance and the fact that the artists are really leading the movement. Nina Simone, who was a great artist, once said that if an artist doesn't represent the times, who will? So it's really important that artists speak out, that they push a freedom of expression, that we rally around the idea that there can be nothing but cooperation when it comes to the artistic voice. And so I know there are a lot of challenges with that here, and I support artists wherever they are.
Did you also get a chance to interact with Javed Akhtar, who was awarded the excellence?
To who? Say it again?
Javed Akhtar, who was awarded the excellence in Indian cinema yesterday. Did you interact with him? What do you think about
Yes. Well, yes. I mean, what an honor to meet him. He was very kind. He welcomed me and said some very kind and lovely words to me. The thing about Indian cinema is the rich legacy. I don't think enough people around the world understand the generations and generations, the decades of stars, both in front of and behind the camera, that Indian cinema has produced. And so it's wonderful to learn more about it. At the Mommy opening night last night, I got to see clips of films from the 70s that I'd never seen. Really fascinating, and I loved it. I don't know their names, but they looked really good. They looked really good. I don't know where you find these older Indian gems, these jewels. We don't have access to them in the United States, so I'd love to see them. Maybe while I'm here. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Heard this story. I think it's a very interesting story, and I'm excited to watch it because of Hansan and Rajkumar Rao. Yeah.
It's about intolerance and homosexuality and all of that. It's very important in our day and age when there is so much artistic intolerance going on with people returning their awards. What do you have to say about artistic intolerance in general?
I just think that art is above and beyond all boundaries. You know, art is actually a unifying factor. It brings people together, and that's how it should be. That's how it should be. That's how it's meant to be. Yeah. Thank you.
नजर आए एक बार फिर हम कतारें देख रहे हैं। आप आज मूड पर क्या फील कर रहे हैं? किस तरह की अलीगढ़ को पहली बार आज
घर की बात तो निराली है, मतलब घर फाइनली घर होता है। और मुंबई शहर जो मेरा अपना शहर है, मेरी जन्मभूमि है, मेरी कर्मभूमि है, वहाँ मतलब इतने लंबे तादाद में लोग हैं। इस थिएटर में जब मामी ने कहा कि रीगल थिएटर में आपकी फिल्म लग रही है, तो मैं घबरा गया था। इतने बड़े थिएटर में लोग भरोगे कैसे आप? लेकिन अब मैं देख रहा हूँ कि भाई कुछ लोगों को निराश वापस जाना पड़ रहा है, मुझे बुरा लग रहा है।
क्या उम्मीद करें कि और स्क्रीनिंग हो सकती है?
इसका जवाब मैं नहीं दे सकता हूँ। मैं तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि कल सवेरे पिक्चर रिलीज हो जाए।
अच्छा, क्या फर्क पा रहे हैं इस बार मामी में आप 7-10 साल मामी और बेहतरी के ऊपर?
सबसे बड़ा फ़र्क जो इस साल हुआ है वो ये है, हर साल मामी में फिल्में कमाल की आती है, इस साल की फिल्में तो मतलब लाजवाब है। और साथ साथ मैंने फ़र्क ये महसूस किया है कि ओपनिंग फिल्म जैसे, न सिर्फ क्योंकि मेरी फिल्म है, लेकिन ओपनिंग फिल्म एक हमारी भारतीय फिल्म है। एक होम ग्रोन प्रोडक्ट को आप ओपनिंग फिल्म रखा है, तो ये मतलब एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेप है। एक मेजर फिल्म फेस्टिवल में एक होम फिल्म को आपने ओपनिंग फिल्म बनाया है।
एक सीक्रेसी जो बरकरार आप हमेशा रखते हैं, उन सब के बावजूद अलीगढ़ को डिफाइन करना हो तो आप क्या करेंगे?
अलीगढ़ कैसे डिफाइन करूँ? अलीगढ़ को बस मैं ये इतना जानता हूँ कि एक इट्स अ हार्टफेल्ट स्टोरी ऑफ आवर टाइम्स। ये आज के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट, बहुत ही अहम फिल्म है। खासकर इस माहौल में ये फिल्म बहुत अहम है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि देश का हर नागरिक ये फिल्म देखे, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं इस प्रोफेसर पर जो गुजरी थी इस फिल्म में, वो हम पर गुजर रही है।
that it's very important to watch this film in these times particularly. Obviously, the film deals with intolerance at a different level for a sexual preference. Of course, we're seeing intolerance at a lot of other levels at the moment. Is that why you see this film is important?
Yes, it is important because it does not, the film does not just deal with a homophobic society or homosexuality. It is not about sexuality. It is about being denied your fundamental rights. And it is not, I mean, it is just increasing right now. It is becoming more and more brazen. And, as a filmmaker, I can only express through films.
And obviously, we know that there's an environment of a lot of intolerance, even artistic intolerance. We've seen most filmmakers return their awards. As an artistic person at the moment, how does this concern you?
Well, it concerns me because, an artist is all about free expression. If your expression is going to be slowly controlled, if it is going to be restricted, you will cease to become an artist. And I mean, arts and culture, I mean, they are mirrors to the times we live in. If my mirror is cracked, if my mirror is covered in black, I mean, what mirror will I hold?
When do you see your film releasing in India for the Indian audiences?
Very soon. I mean, my producers, Eros International, will be making an announcement very, very soon.
Have you had any problems with the censor board? Considering the subject?
Well, we are yet to apply for certification, and I don't envisage. I mean, once you watch the film, you'll realize that anybody of sound mind cannot have objections.
So, repeat in English, what you feel is the change in Mami this year around?
Well, Mami has always had a slate of excellent films. It is India's premier film festival. But this year it is with even more conviction. The kind of films, the kind of guests that we have for the festival is amazing. It's on par with any world-class film festival. And the biggest thing, I mean, it's a moment of pride for me too, for my entire team, that an Indian film is opening this film festival. And it happens to be our film.
Thank you.
Thank you.
FTII के स्टूडेंट्स के प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में आप कुछ कह सकते हो? FTII के स्टूडेंट्स के प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में?
प्रोटेस्ट खत्म हो गया, प्रोटेस्ट जारी रहेंगे, स्ट्राइक खत्म हो गई है, उनके क्लासेस शुरू हुए हैं। अब मतलब उनको थोड़ा सा मतलब आप इतने दिनों को आपने याद नहीं किया तो उनको वो क्या करते? आप भूल गए थे उनको।
नेशनल फिल्म मेकर्स अभी अवार्ड्स लौटा रहे हैं।
अब मतलब आप कहाँ से कहाँ फेस्टिवल का मज़ा लीजिए।
Thank you so much, sir.
थैंक यू।